welcome to my humble abode in the sky. This is my home. I'm remodeling and I have stuff everywhere. I have trash everywhere. I mean, my closets were full of stuff. Over 10 years worth of stuff. But when I graduated college, my kids graduated college, and I'm just a hoarder. I'm ashamed. I'm totally ashamed of being a hoarder. So, as you can see, I have loads of stuff. It's all in the halls, the bedroom, my office, downstairs, just so much stuff. And I couldn't believe I had stuff from the 1990s, 1993. Mail, junk, I mean books from college from years and years ago. My kids even had all the books from college. This is too much. So I decided I needed to remodel my bedrooms and my office, which was a bedroom. And I took the carpet out of the rooms. I painted the walls a beautiful platinum blue. I put new curtains up. I did some decorations. And I'm just so excited about this step in remodeling my home. And when people come over, they have a nice, cozy, lovely room to live in. I'm in my office now. I have to pick up a few little things. I'm going to buy a desk. I want a glass desk to go with it. I have a backdrop of the city, backdrop to put on the wall. And I will use this office as my video recording office, studio too, because I'm going to do little clips of news and my little talk show. My husband's going to do a talk show too. So a gospel talk show. So we're going to use that as our studio too, as well as our office. And I'm just excited about that. So it's clear now. I still have some things on the desk. So I have like 2 computers on it and the TV. So I have to decide what I want to do with those. I'm sure they're going to stay right there, but I just got to fix it up and move some of the little